Hey everyone! I'm here to share my personal experience with 5 of the best microcurrent machines for home use. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money on gimmicks. Let's dive in and see which ones are worth your time and investment.
Product number 1, Medicube Booster Pro. I recently got my hands on the Medicube Booster Pro, and let me tell you, this 6-in-1 real glass glow beauty massager is something special. First off, the design is sleek and chic in its pink color, making it an appealing addition to my skincare routine. I was intrigued by its promise of clear, radiant skin, something we all crave. Once I unboxed it, I was impressed with the lightweight glass wand, weighing only 155 grams, which felt sturdy yet delicate in my hands. The unique feature of this device is that it doesn't require any conductive gel, which is a game changer. Instead, I was able to use it with my favorite serums, enhancing their absorption while giving my skin a glow. The AGER app is another highlight. It offers personalized settings and guided videos to ensure I'm maximizing my results. The first time I tried it, I was a bit apprehensive about the intensity, but the manual recommended starting low, which I did. After just a week of consistent use, my skin felt firmer and appeared more radiant. The Booster Pro's ability to cater to all skin types is impressive. It's a versatile tool for anyone looking to elevate their skincare routine. However, I did notice it can take a bit of time to see visible results, and the price tag of $220 may be daunting for some, especially if you're new to microcurrents. But if you're serious about your skincare and want a device that grows with your routine, this is a solid investment. Overall, if you're looking for an all-in-one tool that integrates seamlessly into your skincare regimen while promising enhanced absorption and radiance, the Medicube Booster Pro is definitely worth considering.
Product number 2, Inea 3-in-1 Red Light Therapy Device. Is the Inea 3-in-1 Red Light Therapy Device, and I was excited to test this one out. Priced at $84.99, it's a more budget-friendly device compared to others. The ergonomic design instantly caught my eye. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver. This device features 3 modes: lift, tighten, and infuse, catering to different skincare needs. I started with the lift mode, which combines a gentle vibrational massage with red light therapy. The sensation was soothing, and I felt my skin awakening with each use. The Tighten mode really impressed me as it utilized both vibration and red light to promote skin elasticity. I noticed some fine lines around my eyes began to soften after several sessions. The Infuse mode was my favorite as it enhances absorption with negative ion technology, perfect for when I was applying serums. The adjustable intensity settings allowed me to customize my treatment, making it feel really personal. However, while I loved the results, I did find that the battery life was somewhat limited, requiring frequent recharges. Still, if you're looking for a versatile device that won't break the bank and offers multiple functions, the Inea Flare is a fantastic option to consider. Product number 3, the Shufali Lymphatic Drainage Massager. The Shufali Lymphatic Drainage Massager caught my attention with its promise of reducing cellulite and boosting lymphatic flow. At just $39.99, it's an affordable choice, and I was eager to see how it performed. The first thing I noticed was its ergonomic design, making it easy to hold and maneuver over my body. This device uses a combination of microcurrent, heat, and vibration, which felt incredibly relaxing during use. I targeted my thighs and abdomen, and I genuinely felt a difference after just a few sessions. The heat function was particularly enjoyable. It added an extra layer of comfort, almost like a spa treatment at home. The instructions suggested using it alongside a vitamin C serum, which I found elevated the results even further. However, I did experience some discomfort on higher settings, so I had to find the right balance. While the device is effective, it's important to note that results take time and consistency. If you're looking for an entry-level device that combines multiple benefits, like lymphatic drainage and anti-cellulite treatment, this massager could be a perfect fit.
Product number 4, FeeJoy Lymphatic Drainage Massager. Another impressive product is the FeeJoy Lymphatic Drainage Massager, which also retails for $39.99. I was particularly interested in its multi-needle pressure technology, which promised to enhance lymph flow and reduce swelling. Upon using it, I found it to be lightweight and easy to handle, perfect for both home and travel. The 4 different modes and 12 adjustable intensity levels allowed me to customize my treatment according to my comfort level. I started with the basic mode to test it out, and I was pleasantly surprised by the gentle yet effective massage it provided. The combination of microcurrent, heat, and LED light therapy worked wonders on my skin, especially after a long day. I noticed a reduction in bloating and an overall feeling of lightness after each session. However, the instructions could have been clearer as I found myself experimenting a bit to find the best results. Overall, if you're seeking a portable, efficient tool that offers a comprehensive approach to body sculpting and lymphatic drainage, the FeeJoy device is a worthy contender.
Product number 5, Didier 5-in-1 Body Sculpting Machine. Last but not least is the Didier 5-in-1 Body Sculpting Machine, priced at $99.99. This multifunctional device combines microcurrents, suction, and LED light for a holistic approach to skin tightening and body contouring. From the moment I started using it, I was impressed with its versatility. It comes with dual suction cups for different areas, larger cups for the body and smaller for facial areas. I found the facial mode to be especially effective. It helps list and firm my skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines. The liposuction feature was a standout for me. It worked well on my thighs and belly, giving a noticeable difference in skin texture. The instructions emphasized using it with oil or lotion for best results, which I found crucial for maximizing its effectiveness. However, the device can feel a bit bulky during use, and it requires a bit of time to get accustomed to maneuvering it. If you're looking for a comprehensive device that combines multiple functions for both face and body, the Didier machine is a solid investment that delivers on its promises. In conclusion, each of these microcurrent machines offers unique features tailored to different skincare needs. From the advanced technology of the Metacube to the budget-friendly Chofly, there's something here for everyone. Invest in one that suits your lifestyle, and you'll be on your way to achieving professional quality skincare at home.